So I picked this Gameboy Advance SP up online as damaged for like $24, I think, some change. And the screen kept fading out, and this is the AGS 101 screen. And I figured, well, this can be something simple to fix. If I first assumed maybe a ribbon cable or maybe a bad battery, and after some visits on Reddit, it was suggested to adjust the potentiometer. So this screw right here is the potentiometer. It controls the voltage values going into the screen. So I just turned this counterclockwise until it felt tight, so maybe 45 degrees, and it worked. So I ended up buying a new shell. I did a classic NES shell here to just give this some new life. You know, I want to play this thing. First things first though, note that there's a square screw here that comes with, you know, your packaging. You want to put that in first, because if you try to put the battery pack on, you can't tighten this in. It won't go anywhere. So without further ado, let's get this bad boy going. Something to note too, by the way, this ribbon coils inside here. Now I'm assuming that's to prevent it from pinching, so make sure that coil's in there. So we're really almost there. We have to take out the joints here inside. There's little grooves on the inside, so you want these plastic pieces, these plastic ends to go in on the inside. So well, that ribbon was not fun to get through, to be quite honest with you. I'm almost concerned I may have damaged it, but hey, we'll find out, won't we? I'm gonna put these tops on, these gray tops on the hinges before I put it on. They slide in right there. You'll be able to see it. So now we put this piece in here to cover up the ribbon. So there's these little ends here that tighten, that you clamp down or lift open. Kind of like inserting RAM on a computer, if you're familiar with that. We got to carefully slide the ribbon in here and tighten those down. Tricky, but you'll be able to get it. Now don't forget, you're going to want to take the speaker, okay? You can put it on these points here. Well, it's getting there. It's almost done. There's these little rubber kind of bumpers I need to put on there. There's the Nintendo logo in there, and then let's load this up with a game and a battery, huh? All right, let's fire her up, yeah? Button works. That volume. Wonderful. So I do want to point out that my kit did indeed come with hinges. I just didn't look in the box enough. So I have to open this bad boy up and put the hinges back on. Otherwise, we get a limp screen. And ladies, come on. Who wants it limp? So, after a big mess up on the hinges, this is like 98% there. I have to push this one in a little bit more, but look, no flappy, limpy hinge. It's perfect, really. It just goes to show, if you keep your eyes peeled and just have the confidence that, hey, maybe you can kind of Google or Reddit your way through fixing something, it has a new life now. And it'll be definitely happy in my collection, and I'm going to play the hell out of this.